Hey guys, kumanzi phansi abahlali basemzumbe, they are exposing Umar Khumalo. They are saying they are hurtful of this facade Umar Khumalo akayiportrayayo there on social media as if she is innocent. So izolo ke even uMacele was hurtful and revealed that Umar Khumalo wafika ekhulelwe and later on ke waba nomntana who did not belong to utata uMusa Mseleku. So it's not only uMacele who was hurtful, nabantu ke bakwaMadlala abakhula naye ke Umar Khumalo. They've come forward to reveal this about Umar Khumalo. This comment is trending #1 and ithi ke thina esikhule naye ke uThobile siyamazi waye Ferb sendawo ehamba ehlala eqoma endaweni eshintsha abafana Umseleku wamqoma uThobile because wayengalawuleki kwake kwaba yihlazo nje ukuthi uTata Musa Mseleku ungenelwe yini ethandana nesFerb sendawo uthi wamqoqa till abe umuntu ohloniphekile uMacele akawaqambi amanga. Why do I feel like this person is sent by both uSamke and uMacele? Because kaloku uMacele izolo simvile exelela uTata Musa Mseleku into ba njengoba nje uMakhumalo esithi yena azange ayekiswe umsebenzi yena wake wafika la kwaMseleku esebenza. So why esithi uSamke why eyekiswe umsebenzi? Uyabona nje le beef lena. This person is sent. This person is someone who is sent by either uMacele or uMakhwela. Okay, uthi wamqoqa until abe umuntu ohloniphekile. uMacele akawaqambi amanga. Ipast kaMakhumalo yimbi kakhulu kwaMadlala. Okubhlungu izimanga zakhe ubezenza kubuka umphakathi, even ukumitha wamitha twice esikolweni eMdlangaswa efeyila. Futhi uMseleku wazi kahle ukuthi uThobile wamthatha kubaba wengane Jesus uThami Ngcobo next door wabo bobayi2 kuningi nje musani ukusukela uMacele akawaqambi amanga. Hayibo Thami bhuti, come forward, this is your chance to shine. So nanko ke guys uSamke akaculi ku Instagram uthi angiyindawo ngizohlala la nancese soka lam. It's almost as if she's celebrating after yesterday's episode. So nanku ke ephinde efaka responding to le comment etrendayo, reacting to le comment etrendayo, wafaka ke uMapholoba wenza ngani. Obviously people are interpreting because kaloku kuthiwa nguThami Ngcobo, obviously isithakazelo sakwaNgcobo uMapholoba. So people are interpreting as uSamke basically reacting and laughing into eyenzeke izolo kaMacele expose Umar Khumalo of having ingane before wedlock. Yo guys, kuningi. Your thoughts must engage in Zomnwana shortly. Bye.